Welcome back! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super delicious and easy bell pepper and chicken stir fry that tastes super delicious. And it goes perfectly with some rice or some noodles. So let's get to it. Alright, we're going to start by cutting your vegetables, and for that we're going to go ahead and julienne two different types of bell peppers. One is going to be your green bell pepper, and then two is going to be a red one. Now when I say julienne, all I'm meaning is we're going to go ahead and cut your bell peppers to strips, and if I have to say about a size, will be kind of like your finger. Next up is going to be your onion. For that, we're going to cut both sides off first. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it right in half. And then we're going to peel the onion. Once the onion is peeled, we're going to go ahead and follow the lines, making sure that they're the same size and shape as the bell peppers. Now that the veggies are done, we're going to go ahead and put them to the side, and we can finally start marinating the chicken. For that, you're going to go ahead and get your chicken breast or chicken thigh. That one's completely up to you. Now, in order to cut this chicken, we're going to cut it against the grain. And if you don't know what that means is, you're going to see that the chicken has fibers. All you want to do is place down your chicken and then go ahead and cut right against them. Now, the cut that we're looking for is to make them really small or thin. That way it cooks a lot faster and it becomes tender and really juicy. Now that the chicken breast is sliced thinly, we can go ahead and put it to your bowl and then move on to the next step, which is the marination part. For the marinade, we're going to do a little soy sauce, hoisin sauce, a little sesame oil because this one has a lot of flavor. And finally, some cornstarch. Now we're going to go ahead and mix it and make sure that everything gets combined really well. Now that you gave this a massage, we're going to go ahead and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Now we can start with your sauce, and it's going to be super simple. For that, we're going to use chicken stock, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and yes, I meant hoisin, white pepper, sesame oil, a little bit of sugar just to balance everything out. And finally, some cornstarch. That's going to help your sauce thicken up once it heats up. Also, don't forget to give this a really good mix. Now that we have all the prep ready, we're going to start cooking. So we're going to go ahead and grab your pan, and we're going to add enough oil just to cover the bottom. Then we're going to allow the oil to heat up. Once the oil is fully hot, we're going to go place down your chicken. And then we're going to go ahead and cook it for about 4 minutes. Now, because your chicken is really thin, we don't want it to get overcooked. We just want to cook it 2/3 of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and put all of your bell peppers and your onions. Then we're going to continue cooking this for about 2 more minutes. At that point, the chicken will be cooked and the vegetables will be nice and crispy. Now that the vegetables are nice and tender and your chicken is cooked, we're going to go ahead and pour it in your sauce, bring it up to a quick simmer, and then we're going to let it reduce until it gets really nice and thick. Now finally, for the taste test, let's get a little bit of chicken, bell peppers, and onions, and obviously a little bit of rice. All right. That's super good. The chicken was nice and tender and super juicy. The bell peppers, onions were really crispy. They were not mushy, just the way I like them. And then the sauce brought everything together. It made it sweet, savory, and delicious. And obviously, I have some rice on the bottom to soak everything up, so that makes this dish 100% fully done. Now, with that being said, don't forget to hit that follow for more easy and delicious recipes. And if you want your next dinner or lunch idea, go ahead and click this video right here. Until next time, I'll see you soon. It was literally that easy.